Don't you think that with the rise of capsule wardrobe concept and popularity of plain basic items, we all tend to look the same? If you're new here, bonjour, welcome, my name is Natalie. I'm a founder of Dress Art Paris, online styling and tailoring service. I love the idea of having a quality wardrobe that is easy to mix and match. But I actually use this platform to encourage you to experiment with different styles, to see what works best for you and what makes you feel more confident. During my last trip to Japan, I was so fascinated by the way the Japanese express their individuality through the choice of accessories and clothing. If they wear neutral colors, there will be certainly an element that will stand out and will be truly unique to them. So today I'd like to share a few tips on how to find your personal style and create outfits that are authentic to you. Well, now finding your personal style is a journey, it takes time, so be patient, but it's so much fun. And here are some tips to help you uncover and develop your unique style. Start with exploring your interests and inspirations. Identify celebrities, influencers, or historical figures whose style you admire. Create a mood board with images of their outfits. Pay attention to styles that resonate with you. Pinterest works really well for me, as it helps me create several mood boards depending on the season and occasion. Look to movies, music videos, and art for inspiration. Notice patterns and style that catch your eye. Consider how your cultural background and heritage can influence your style. Incorporating traditional elements can add a unique touch. I've lived in France for so many years that it definitely influences the way I style my outfits today. I suggest you starting with your key pieces. Notice if there are certain pieces of clothing or accessories that help you always feel good in. This can be the foundation of your personal style. Well, my style is classic, but at the same time it's a bit relaxed and undone. And I like when the outfits are comfortable. And when I shop for clothes, I always look for interesting details like embroidery or lace or some interesting pattern. And that helps me add a personal touch to my outfits. I love wearing blazers, they always help me feel put together. So I wear a lot of simple timeless items like shirts, classic trousers made of natural fabrics. However, as I mentioned at the very beginning of my video, we all tend to look the same if we copy outfits, especially if it's a minimal style. So every time I dress, I think about creative ways to reflect my personality. That could be the choice of jewelry or accessories. And once you identified your key pieces that make you feel good, get back to your wardrobe and check if these are the same pieces that you wear every day. And if for some reasons the answer is no, try to understand why. This is a very important step to ensure that your wardrobe reflects who you are and help you feel your best. Well, unless you must wear uniforms, there is always a way to inject your personality into your everyday outfits. And in case you need any help with styling the pieces you already have, make sure to check my styling packages in the description box, and I would be really happy to work with you guys. Next, get back to your wardrobe and identify the items you never wear. Well, don't judge yourself, just try to figure out what could be the reasons for that. If some pieces don't fit you anymore, consider altering them, selling or donating. And if you're not sure if you might need them or not in the future, put these items in a separate box or a suitcase that I call maybe, and you can always put these items back to your wardrobe if you really need them. However, if after a couple of months you will notice that you don't really need these pieces, consider upcycling, selling or donating these items. Now, there might be some items that we love and we feel good at, but we have no idea how to style. Well, in my case, that always happens to my dresses, and I figured out that if I style them with my comfortable shoes, add layering or a blazer, I instantly love how I feel. So try styling your key pieces with the items you love, but for some reasons don't feel comfortable wearing, and that should help. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Try on different styles, colors and patterns to see what resonates with you. I love layering, and I think it's such a fun way to explore various style options and inject your personality into the outfits. Well, you can obviously wear whatever you want, but I feel that it never hurts to educate yourself on what really flatters your body shape. So learn which cuts and style enhance your body shape. Clothes that fit well can instantly boost your confidence. Consider having some pieces tailored to fit you perfectly. And in case you're looking for custom or made-to-measure clothes, you can always reach out to Dress Art Paris and ask for a quote, as it's a one-stop service to have your clothes tailored without leaving your home. As mentioned earlier, I love the idea of having a quality capsule wardrobe where the pieces are easy to mix and match. So start with quality basics that form the foundation of your wardrobe. And as you go, add a few statement pieces that express your personality and add interest to your outfits. It might also be a good idea to identify colors that you naturally gravitate towards and that complement your skin tone. You might also consider having your color analysis done for more detailed information. And I always advise to build a palette with a mix of neutrals for versatility and add a few accent colors for vibrancy. Staying true to yourself is very important, as your style should reflect who you are and not just current trends. So wear what makes you feel happy and confident. And never sacrifice comfort for style. When you're comfortable, you're more likely to feel confident. Finding your personal style is a journey, so evolving over time is totally fine. Stay open to change. Your personal style will evolve as you do. So be open to trying new things and letting your style grow with you. And do not hesitate to regularly assess your wardrobe and style preferences to ensure that they're still in line with who you are. And I hope you guys found these tips useful, and it will mean a lot to me if you leave me a quick comment with your thoughts. And I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye!